The Dornier Do 32 was an experimental ultralight helicopter developed in West Germany during the early 1960s for military observation and liaison missions. The project originated from a Bundeswehr requirement for a compact aircraft that could be folded, transported on a trailer behind a jeep or light truck, assembled in less than an hour, and flown directly from the field. Development officially began after Dornier received a government contract on the 1st of August 1960, although preliminary studies had started earlier. The first prototype flew on 29th of June 1962. The Do-32 employed an unusual rotor-tip jet system instead of a conventional mechanical transmission. A BMW 612L gas turbine powered a compressor that forced compressed air through the hollow rotor blades to nozzles at their tips. This eliminated torque reaction, making a tail rotor unnecessary. Directional control was provided by a large, heat-resistant vertical fin positioned in the turbine exhaust. The helicopter was deliberately simple. It had an open-frame structure, a single pilot seated ahead of the rotor mast, a two-bladed rotor, fixed three-leg landing gear, and only basic flight instruments. Before takeoff, the heavy rotor could be accelerated with zero blade pitch, storing rotational energy for a rapid vertical jump during liftoff. 3 Do-32E prototypes flew extensively. Trials demonstrated transportation by trailer, rapid deployment, and repeated folding and unfolding. Despite promising flight tests, every flying prototype was eventually lost in separate accidents caused by different factors. Large military orders never materialized, partly because competing designs, including the French Sud-Ouest SO-1221 Jin, were already available. Dornier proposed several derivatives. The Do-32Z was a two-seat version with a more powerful engine, while the larger Do-132 was planned as a four-seat helicopter, but never progressed beyond a full-scale mock-up. Unmanned developments included the Do-32U and the Do-32K, the latter evolving into the Do-34 drone. Today, the only surviving Do-32 airframe is the unfinished fourth prototype, preserved at the Deutsches Museum in Munich and displayed in the markings of the first prototype, Die Hope. Although the program ended in 1964, the Do-32 remains one of the most distinctive rotor-tip jet helicopters ever built.